Wow.
Doctor Strange.
Whoa.
Oh yeah, Doctor Strange.
Happy New Year, everybody.
Magic spell. Oh yeah. Welcome to Ryan's Family Review. Happy New Year, everybody.
It's 2019.
Yeah.
Woo! Yeah.
Yeah.
In order for us to celebrate this new year, we had lots of fireworks. Like this giant one we've never seen before. This is so big. And these are swords fireworks. What?
Yeah.
What? This is new. A ladybug firework? Oh yeah. Kind of look like a ladybug. And red car.
Tommy Turbo.
And we have a fun park with a bunch of stuff we can do.
Emma and Kate's not here because they're with Grandma. Let's get started!
Yeah! Ryan and I are gonna do the fun part.
First, we're gonna test out this sword. Yeah!
It's gonna be so cool because it's gonna be a fire from my sword.
Whoa.
You ready, Ryan? Oh, he's ready. Alright, let's light it up. Oh, there you go. Whoa, I'm gonna do it.
Wow.
I'm
Whoa.
going to.
Whoa. You guys. Whoa. Whoa. Daddy, where are you going? Whoa, Ryan. Whoa, it's out. That's so cool.
Next, we're gonna try the sparkle. Hi-ya!
Ooh.
Whoa.
Okay, let's see if you can see this up.
Ooh, that's cool.
I'll trying to make a heart shape.
Oh, you guys see the heart shape Daddy's trying to make?
Magic spell. Hi-ya!
Next one is going to be the car.
Looks cool.
I wonder if it's gonna move. Like, so you light it up.
Yeah, I'll definitely move.
There's
I'm
the
a
car.
giant.
You're a giant. Oh no! Oh no! Ah!
We're gonna go.
Gonna go.
Whoa, that's so loud.
Whoa! Oh, Ryan, be careful.
That is so scary. No, I'm not getting close.
Ah.
Oh, how was that?
I never want to hear that again.
That was so loud, right? Yeah. That is huge.
And then I have to sit on the ground because it's a
Oh my, Ryan, you gotta be
What?
super careful, okay?
Okay.
The instruction says it's supposed to look like a smiley face. I don't know.
You guys ready?
Yep,
I'm scared.
me too. Run! Oh. Whoa! Whoa! Oh, I don't see a smiley face though.
Whew. Whew. That was scary.
Did you see, Ryan?
Yeah, I saw. That was cool.
The kit has some other cool stuff in
This
there.
one seems fun.
What does it say?
This one says Fiesta Grande.
Oh, big party?
I'm scared of it.
Whoa! Oh, Daddy dancing! Woohoo! Be careful, Daddy. Wow. Oh, that was cool.
Oh, I like it.
Yeah. What's next?
Oh, I want to try this. Kaku.
Cuckoo! What is it? Cuckoo! Oh, there it is, guys.
Do it.
Whoa. How was that?
Very cool.
That was cool.
Whoa, this one says Solar
What is that?
Blaze.
Whoa, solar blaze? Okay, let's try that.
Oh, there you go. Just like the other one.
Yeah, they're all looking the same. It's a big smoke though. This one's super smoky. Look at that. Woo! That was smoky, right?
Yeah, that was very smoky.
I'm gonna try this Party Hardy.
Party hardy. Whoa. Wow. Wow.
That was fun.
Yeah. Woo!
Let's try the ladybug.
I was super excited about this one.
What does it do?
I don't know. Let's see if it's gonna look like a ladybug. 'Cause right now, it just looks like just red ball.
Yeah.
Oh, but look, kid. You see this little pointy thing?
Yeah.
Does it mean it's gonna spin?
Oh.
Like a Beyblade?
Oh. Fidget spinner.
Should I just do 2?
Oh, okay. You gotta go
3.
bold. Ooh.
Ready?
Yes.
Let's see if I can do 3 at the same
Oh
time.
my. Oh my. It's already going.
Hurry!
Oh no, Daddy. Daddy.
Guys?
Oh! It went way over here? What?
We have one more left. Yeah, do it.
Whoa! I didn't know ladybugs just shoots up in the sky like that. Whoa. Where'd it go? It doesn't even come down.
Flew
It just
away.
disappeared, flew away.
Yeah, it went beyond.
Maybe it went to our neighbor house.
Went that way.
Oh, it went way over there? Oh. Next, Daddy's gonna try this called Silver Rain. Oh my. Everybody move. I don't see the silver color. Ah! Woo! Wow.
Mommy, I think they messed up. They tried to make the color silver, but they made them rainbow.
Oh, it does look rainbow, huh? They're gonna try to draw something.
Here you go.
Oh, yeah. Happy New Year.
Drawing a circle.
I'm drawing a heart.
Oh, you guys see Ryan's heart? Whoa. I see the heart, yeah.
Look.
Wow.
Doctor Strange.
Whoa.
Oh, yeah, Dr. Strange.
Happy New Year, everybody.
Magic spell. Oh, yeah.
Oh, my magic's gone.
Yours gone? Whoa. No more magic.
Ready for the giant finale, neon candle.
Last year, we didn't do this big, right?
Yeah, this is
the biggest firework we
huge.
ever tried. Oh.
Guys, let's run. Whoa. Oh, it just shoots up. Very cool. That's pretty. Nice. I liked it, that one. That's it.
Good.
That was good. Did you like it?
Yeah, that was very cool.
So this one's supposed to have a happy face, so a smiley face.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, move out. Move out, Ryan. Move out, Ryan. Move out. Whoa, that was super fast. Did you see?
Oh, I feel like it was upside down.
It was a frown face. Emma and Kate's home and they want to see some fireworks. So Daddy's over there. There's Emma. Hi, Emma. Too dark. Daddy's doing it. Are you ready, Kate? Yeah, okay, it's doing it. Whoa. Was that scary?
No, beauty.
That was pretty. You like it? Yeah, you like it. Try something a little bit smaller for Emma and Kate to see. Whoa. Fire. Oh, you see Ryan? Look. Whoa, beautiful. What do you think? Good? Emma, you like it? You want to do it again? That's a tank. Uh-oh, he stands far.
Oh, never mind.
Oh, no loud? No, never mind.
Oh, never mind.
That's it. One more?
Yeah.
One more. Look. Oh, that's it? Oh, Daddy's way, way over there. If you guys see, he's doing one, shoots in the air. Whoa. Are we done with our fireworks?
I think so. We used all the cool ones. We're gonna save these for the next year.
Hope you guys have a happy new year.
Happy New Year. Bye.
Parents, Ryan's World Toys and Clothing are now available at Walmart, Target, Smith Toys in the UK and Ireland, along with Big W in Australia. There's also Meet Ryan book to learn all about what Ryan's like.
Hi, my name is Ryan and I am 7 years old. My favorite colors are neon blue and neon green.
There's also Ryan's bike with Combo Panda that Ryan used to learn to ride a bike with no training wheel, available at Walmart. Let it go! Good job!
Make sure you stay in the middle, Ryan.
Whoa! Good job, buddy.